Diametrics Medical Incorporated, building on a foundation of world-class continuous monitoring and point-of-care measurement technologies, is dedicated to meeting the needs of the critical care marketplace through our core competencies: research, development, and product manufacturing. Our unique product solutions include the IRMA SL blood analysis system, a point-of-care system that brings critical tests to the patient's bedside. The crucial electrochemical technology that is at the heart of the IRMA system is a true breakthrough in manufacturing techniques.
From the beginning at Diametrics, we have been committed to reducing our unit manufacturing costs while improving consistently our yields. We have implemented full automation and have reduced our costs by approximately 20%.
The foundation for the IRMA testing cartridges begins in thick film. Thick film technology is what gives the IRMA system the flexibility to continually enhance and expand its testing menu.
In our thick film area, we have a capacity of 155,000 chips per month running on one shift. There are 4 people who work in that area with a consistent yield of 99%.
Using a 4x4 ceramic panel, 12 individual chips are created using 4 different materials: gold, silver, resistor, and 2 to 3 layers of dielectric used as insulation layers. After each material is screen printed on, the panel goes through a low-temp dryer to eliminate any organic solvents. Then it travels into a furnace and is fired at 850 degrees centigrade. 2 automated loaders and unloaders move the panels onto the furnace line and stack them for the next application of material. The loaders, which can handle multiple racks of 100 each, increase the line's capacity, reduce labor costs, and improve yields.
We have increased our capacity in the thick film area by going from an 8-up panel to a 12-up panel, gaining a 33% increase in capacity. We have also reduced our unit manufacturing costs by 10 cents per chip by changing from gold to resistor for our connector leads.
The 12-up panels are then passed through to the next process. All manufacturing at Diametrics is performed in a clean room environment to ensure quality and high yields. Our clean rooms range from class 1,000 to 100,000. It is in the sensor area that the sensors are dispensed onto the chips. The composition of the sensor solution ultimately determines what tests the chip can perform.
In our sensors dispense area, we use a conveyorized panel handling system that moves the panels from dispense station to dispense station. With the precise dispense capability, we have consistently high yields.
In the sensor area, 2 membranes, an aqueous internal and an external polymer membrane, are dispensed onto the .025 diameter thick film electrode. Using standard off-the-shelf equipment, sensors are dispensed in a drop, circular, or linear pattern. The IVEC digital and rotary pumps allow tenths of microliters of solutions to be consistently dispensed, allowing for yields of 96%.
We have 4 operators who work in our sensors dispense area. We have a capacity today of 280,000 chips per month, and we also have future process optimizations that will allow us to go to 365,000 parts per month. We perform 100% inspection on our internal sensors that are dispensed. We look for proper flow, coverage, and for material. On our external dispense, we perform sample inspection. We are looking for consistency from sensor to sensor. Today we have consistent yields of 95% in our sensor dispense area.
The IRMA cartridge is a snap-fit design. In the assembly and packaging area, finished panels are automatically broken into individual chips. The chips are placed in the flow cell base and assembled using a turntable line. The cartridge bases and the flow cell windows with molded gaskets are placed into hoppers and fed into bowl feeders that feed the parts onto a conveyor belt leading to the turntable line. The cartridge windows are placed on their sides to allow for 100% inspection of the gasket prior to assembly of the window to the base. The assembly is then literally snapped into place.
With the implementation of the new Snap Fit platform, we have been able to increase our automation, thus reducing our manufacturing costs while maintaining high quality yields.
Once the cartridge is snapped together, a high-powered laser cuts the lead tape that is then applied to the connector leads to prevent moisture from settling, thus avoiding sensor errors for the user. The parts are moved onto the packaging transfer system and moved into the packaging process. Cartridges move through auto-gelling, lure dispense, capping, sealing, inspection, and into the multi-vac packager. A small liquid reservoir is placed into the pouch to ensure a stable CO2 environment during shipping. The cartridges are sealed in laminated poly. A conveyor moves the foil package along. Each package is given a product ID and a lot and sequence number by inkjet. Then a final quality test is performed on a sample of each lot to determine a calibration code for the user and expiration date.
With this implementation of the SnapFit platform and automated assembly and packaging processes, we have reduced our labor to having 1 person in the assembly process and 6 people in the packaging process. This has allowed us to increase our capacity to 250,000 parts per month. Our yields today are 99% in assembly and 94% in our packaging process. At Diametrics, we pride ourselves in producing high-quality products with reduced manufacturing costs and consistently high yields. We're innovative. We are committed to continuous process improvements, and we are dedicated to meeting the needs of our customers.
Focused on innovation, committed to continuous improvement, dedicated to customer needs. Diametrics Medical Incorporated is the only company to manufacture continuous monitoring products and point-of-care intermittent testing products. Diametrics actively initiates, pursues, and develops new and better ways to manufacture our products while maintaining an industry best in quality standards, cost containment, and new products.